The Thing Lou Couldn't Do by Ashley Spires. This is Lou. Lou and her friends are brave adventurers. They run faster than airplanes. They build mighty fortresses. They rescue wild animals.
Gotcha!
Lou is pretty sure she is going to be a deep-sea diver when she grows up. Or a race car driver. Or maybe a pirate. Let's play pirates! Yeah! We just need a ship. Up there! The tree can be our ship. This is new. Lou has never climbed a tree before. It will be an adventure, says her friend. Lou loves adventures, but this adventure is up. She likes her adventures to be down. Lou suggests a not up a tree game. But her friends have made up their minds. Come on, Lou. Last one up has to walk the plank. She'll be there in a minute. She just needs to change her shoes first. In Captain Lou Skullbuckle's opinion, the couch makes a fantastic pirate ship. But Mom disagrees. It's a beautiful day. Go outside and play with your friends. Fine. But her first mate is coming too. Ahoy! Land ho! Arr, matey! They're still up there. Come up, ye landlubber! Lou tells them that her arm is sore. And anyway, the cat needs a walk. Also, she read once that you shouldn't climb so soon after eating. There are so many reasons not to try. I stepped on a slug this morning. His funeral is in 5 minutes. I just found out I'm part fish and need water to survive, so if you'll excuse me, I'll be in the bathtub for the rest of my life. That asteroid is headed right for us. Run! My tummy hurts. I need to sit down. I can't climb the tree. We'll show you how. She wishes her friends would just leave her alone. She's fine down here. Besides, she doesn't even want to climb. What's so great about climbing trees anyway? I can see all the way to the North Pole from here. The treasure is that way. Arr! Oh, that does look pretty great. If only Lou could climb trees.
Meow.
Show off. Maybe she can get up there without climbing. There must be lots of other ways to get up a tree. Trampoline? Pole vault. Helicopter. Sadly, helicopters are hard to come by. We're under attack! All hands on deck! It's a call for help. Shiver me timbers! Those scallywags need a captain. It's time for Captain Lou Skullbuckle to climb aboard. This pirate captain has faced some pretty scary things. Sea monsters, hurricanes, even a super bad brain freeze. And now, Captain Lou Skullbuckle is going to do the scariest thing of all. She's going to climb this tree. She must be nearly there. Huh? Thud. She knew it. She can't climb. Are you okay?
Meow.
Not yet, anyway. Last one to the castle has to swim the moat. She'll be back. Maybe even tomorrow. After all, Lou loves an adventure.